Yo, what's up guys, we're back at it. I want to show you today how I get constant, safe, steady supply of power to my phone while I'm riding. Under the seat is where the battery is located on your motorcycle. And what we have here is a USB adapter that runs right to the terminals of the battery. We've got the red, the positive, and the black, the negative. You can see it snakes all the way to the dual USB adapter. And I have that running on a braided USB cable. This is a 6-foot cable. I run it right up to my RAM mount. I coil it around a few times. You simply just place your phone in the holder. We use these rubber attachments to secure the phone. And then you plug it in. Now we've got juice. Now here's a life hack. We do want to make sure the cable has enough slack that when we turn the handlebars, we don't pop out the cable. If I turn the handlebars all the way to the right, maximum extension, we want to still have slack here. So it's better to get the 6-foot cable rather than the 5 or the 4. It's better to have a little extra and then you can wrap around the excess around the phone mount rather than too little and risk it getting pulled out. Now with the 6-foot cable, it's good to have the excess length, but we don't want it flopping all the way around, getting stuck in a chain or other important components that could be dangerous. So you do want to make sure you kind of snake it around some part of the bike that's safe and secure. So we want to make sure we have not too much tension and not too much slack. Now one last thing, the USB adapter can also be removed while you can still keep the terminals attached. So this means you can attach like a battery tender or another unit, so that way you can keep your battery afloat during the winter. Well guys, I hope this was helpful. I'll put a link down below for the USB adapter, and I hope you ride safe, keep the rubber side down. Let's get it.